Hey guys, welcome to NS Tech Videos. Today we'll be talking about PS5 and Xbox restock at Target before the end of the year. So if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so you get a notification each time we upload a video. So let's go ahead and get started. So Target will be restocking on PS5 and Xbox, because usually whenever they restock on PS5s, they always restock on Xbox as well. So if you are looking for Xbox or PS5, they will be dropping on December 28th between 3 a.m. and 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. But usually when they dropped in the previously, they are usually dropping around between 5 and 7 a.m. So you have to be extra ready between 5 and 7 a.m. so that way you can actually secure the bag. And they do that between 5 and 7 a.m. like multiple times. So during those 2 hours, the stock will come, people will purchase, and then it'll go out of stock. And in order to purchase, you'll actually have to purchase online, but it is only pick up in store or drive up. So you'll either have to pick it up in store or you have to drive up and then pick it up. So that means if you are able to secure PS5 or Xbox, you can actually pick it up the same day from the store that you actually purchased from. And it's not for sure that every store will get a stock, but whichever store gets stock, they have some of the stores will have it and some won't. So you'll have to actually check which stores in your area has stock and then purchase. So you can actually go on the app. Target app is the easiest way, or you can actually go online. But a lot of people had a lot of success with Target app. So it's always a good idea to download the app and make an account, sign in, and have your payment information and your address and everything ready to go, so that way you can purchase as soon as you see it in stock. You can actually go ahead and purchase and then see which store has it in stock around you. And you can actually set it to like 50-mile radius, so that way in any store that has it in 50-mile radius, you're actually able to go and pick it up from there. And hopefully you guys can get one. If you do get one, please let us know that you were able to secure the bag. And don't forget, hit that like button for some good luck. And don't forget to share this video with whoever you know is trying to buy PS5 or Xbox. And subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot for watching, guys.